There's a subtle difference between a space that looks finished, and a space that feels complete. At first glance, they might seem the same. Clean surfaces. Balanced layout. Everything in its place. But one of them has something more. Something you can't quite describe, but you can definitely feel. A quiet sense of depth. A natural warmth. A kind of presence that makes you want to stay a little longer. So what creates that difference? It's not about adding more elements. It's not about expensive upgrades. It comes down to one simple idea. How a surface interacts with light. And wood, when used the right way, can completely transform that interaction. Today, you're going to discover a simple wood trick that changes how your home feels, without changing everything in it. And once you see it, it will change the way you look at every space around you. Let's start with something most people overlook. Stillness. In many interiors, everything is still. Flat surfaces reflect light evenly. Edges are clean and predictable. Nothing shifts. Nothing changes. And while that creates order, it also removes a key ingredient. Visual life. Because our eyes are naturally drawn to variation. To subtle movement. To details that reveal themselves slowly. Without that, a space can feel empty, even when it's full. Now imagine introducing something different. A surface that doesn't behave the same way all the time. One that reacts to light. One that reveals new details depending on where you stand, and what time of day it is. That's where this simple wood trick begins. Instead of treating wood as something flat and uniform, you allow it to create gentle variation. Not extreme changes. Not dramatic contrasts. Just enough to break the stillness. Think of it like a quiet ripple. Small shifts in depth. Slight changes in alignment. Subtle differences that light can interact with. Because when light meets variation, something interesting happens. Shadows begin to form. Highlights begin to move. And suddenly, the surface feels alive. Now here's what makes this so powerful. It's not something you immediately notice. It's something you experience. You might walk into the room and feel more relaxed. More comfortable. More connected to the space. And you won't always know why. But this is the reason. Your eyes are engaging with something dynamic. Something that feels natural. And that natural feeling creates comfort. Now let's talk about rhythm. Not the kind you hear, but the kind you see. Visual rhythm is created when elements repeat with variation. Not identical repetition. But a flow that changes slightly each time. This is what keeps your attention. This is what makes something feel organic instead of mechanical. Wood already carries rhythm within it. In its grain. In its texture. In its natural inconsistencies. But when it's flattened or overly refined, that rhythm disappears. So the goal isn't to force a pattern. It's to reveal the one that's already there. And once you do that, the space begins to feel more connected. More balanced. More alive. Now here's another layer to this idea. Contrast. But not bold, dramatic contrast. Instead, subtle contrast. The kind that feels effortless. Slight differences in tone. Gentle transitions between smooth and textured areas. These small contrasts create depth without chaos. They guide your eyes naturally, without overwhelming them. And that balance is what creates harmony. Now let's address something that many people try to eliminate. Imperfections. In most cases, imperfections are seen as problems. Something to fix. Something to hide. But in natural materials, imperfections are what create character. A slight irregularity. A unique grain line. A natural mark that tells a story. These details are what make wood feel real. And when you embrace them, your space gains authenticity. It feels less manufactured. More human. Now imagine combining all of this. Subtle depth. Visual rhythm. Gentle contrast. Natural variation. Light interaction. Together, they create something powerful. Not something loud. Not something overwhelming. But something meaningful. A space that feels complete, not because of what's added, but because of how it feels. Now here's the interesting part. You don't need to transform everything. Even a small change can influence the entire room. Because once your eyes find something dynamic, everything else begins to relate to it. That one detail becomes a focal point. A quiet anchor that gives the space balance. And from there, everything starts to feel more intentional. Now think about how this changes your approach. Instead of asking, what should I add? You start asking, what can I change? What can I shift? What can I make more dynamic? And those questions lead to better results. Because they focus on experience, not just appearance. Now let's take a moment to think about light again. Light is always moving. Even when you don't notice it. It changes angle, intensity, and color throughout the day. Most surfaces don't respond to those changes. But when wood is given subtle variation, it does. Morning light might reveal soft textures. Afternoon light might emphasize contrast. Evening light might create warmth and depth. So instead of a static design, you get something that evolves. Something that feels alive over time. And that's what makes this simple trick so powerful. It doesn't just improve how your space looks. It improves how it feels throughout the day. Now here's something important to remember. This is not about perfection. In fact, perfection can reduce the effect. Because what makes this work is variation. Small differences that feel natural. So instead of trying to make everything exact, allow a little freedom. Let the material express itself. Because that's where the beauty comes from. Now imagine living in a space where nothing feels flat. Where every surface has a subtle presence. Where light and texture interact naturally. Where the environment feels calm, but never boring. That's what this simple shift creates. And once you experience it, you won't want to go back. You'll start to notice flatness in other spaces. You'll see where depth is missing. You'll recognize where small changes could make a big difference. And that awareness, that shift in perspective, is what truly transforms your home. Because once you change how you see a space, you change how you shape it. So the next time you look around your home, pause for a moment. Look beyond what's there. And ask yourself, where does this space feel still? Where does it feel flat? And where could a small change bring it to life? Because now you know the secret. It's not about adding more. It's about creating experience. If this idea sparks something in you, if you're starting to see your space differently, then you're already on the right path. And there's so much more to explore. If you enjoy discovering simple ideas that create powerful transformations, make sure to stay connected with Crafted Wood Studio. If you found this inspiring, take a moment to like the video. It helps others discover creative ideas like this. And if you know someone who would love to transform their space in a simple way, share this with them. Because creativity grows when it's shared. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more original content that turns simple materials into meaningful design. Thanks for being here. And I'll see you in the next creation.